Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Hello, everyone. We hope you are having a wonderful day today.
Today we have another useful English conversation for beginners.
Yes, today's topic is English conversation at the hotel.
This is a very important topic for travelers because hotels are part of many trips.
Exactly. Today we will practice useful English phrases for checking in, asking questions, and talking with hotel staff.
Okay, Daniel. Imagine we just arrived at a hotel after a long trip.
Perfect. I'm already tired from traveling.
Haha, same here. Let's go inside.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hi, I have a reservation under the name Daniel Smith.
All right, let me check. Yes, I found your reservation.
Great.
Can I please see your ID or passport?
Sure, here you go.
Reservation means you booked a room before arriving.
Yes, and under the name is a common phrase at hotels.
You booked a double room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Breakfast is included from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Perfect, thank you.
Here is your room key. Your room number is 508.
Thank you very much. Sarah, do you enjoy staying in hotels?
Yes, especially when the room is clean and comfortable.
Same. A good hotel can make a trip much better.
Absolutely. What's the first thing you do when you enter a hotel room?
Honestly, I jump on the bed to test it.
Haha, really?
Yes, comfortable beds are very important.
I usually check the Wi-Fi password first.
That's also important nowadays. Let's practice another hotel conversation.
Good idea.
Excuse me, what time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Okay, and is there free Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, the Wi-Fi is free for all guests.
Great, thank you.
Check-in means arriving ahead and getting your room.
And check-out means leaving the hotel.
Daniel, have you ever had a bad hotel experience?
Unfortunately, yes.
What happened?
One time the air conditioner stopped working in the middle of summer.
Oh no, that sounds terrible.
It was so hot that I couldn't sleep.
Did the hotel fix it?
Yes, but it took several hours. What about you?
Once I stayed in a hotel near a busy road.
Was it noisy?
Very noisy. Cars were passing all night.
That sounds annoying.
Excuse me, could I get an extra towel, please?
Of course. I'll bring one to your room shortly.
Thank you.
Could I get is a polite way to ask for something.
Yes, you can use it almost anywhere.
What hotel services do you usually use?
Mostly room service and breakfast.
I love hotel breakfast buffets,
Haha, me too.
especially pancakes and coffee.
And fresh juice. Do you unpack your suitcase immediately?
Not really. I usually leave everything inside the suitcase.
Haha, that's lazy.
Maybe a little. Imagine you have a problem with your room.
Okay.
Hello, there seems to be a problem with the air conditioner.
I'm sorry about that. We will send someone to fix it right away.
Thank you.
It seems to be a problem. is a useful phrase.
Yes, it sounds polite and natural.
Traveling can sometimes feel stressful.
That's true, but speaking simple English can make things easier.
Especially at airports, hotels, and restaurants.
Let's practice some useful hotel phrases together.
Good idea.
I have a reservation.
Can I see your passport?
What time is checkout?
Could I get an extra towel?
Is breakfast included?
Excellent.
Sarah, what makes a hotel perfect for you?
A clean room, comfortable bed, quiet environment, and good food.
Good choices.
What about you?
Fast Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and friendly staff.
Haha, very practical. Today we practiced many useful English phrases for staying at a hotel.
We talked about reservations, check-in, room service, hotel problems, and useful travel vocabulary.
And practicing these conversations can help you feel more confident speaking English while traveling.
Thank you so much for listening to English Through Talks podcast.
We hope this easy English conversation helped improve your listening and speaking skills.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this podcast with your friends.
And tell us in the comments, what is most important to you in a hotel?
We would love to hear your answers.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye.